Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Meta Business Suite how to remove admin. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to remove admin from Meta Business Suite, what you need to do first is head over and open up your Meta Business Suite app. Then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, in order to remove admin, what you need to do is tap on your more icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then inside, tap on settings. Now once you're inside here under business portfolio settings, you'll be seeing the option that says people. Simply tap on that, and now here what you need to do in order to remove admin is just simply select the admin that you want, and then all you gotta do is tap on this three dot icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then you'll find an option that says remove from business portfolio. Simply tap on this and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully remove admin. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.